In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the percentage of two numbers using Monday.com. If you want to learn how to make the most out of your Monday.com boards by incorporating basic formulas, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it step by step for a clear understanding. First, you'll want to head over to Monday.com, open your web browser and enter the Monday.com URL. Once you're there, take a moment to spot the login button, which you'll find conveniently placed at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to get started with accessing your account. After that, you'll have the option to either sign in using your Google account or to manually enter your email address and password. If you choose to sign in with Google, make sure to select the correct email address that you've been using for your Monday.com account. With that done, proceed to the board on which you want to perform your calculations. Look through your list of boards and click on the one that you need. When you're in, navigate to the last column on your board. Here you'll see a plus sign button. Click that to add a new column. Among the options available, you'll choose the formula option. This will allow you to create formulas to perform calculations directly within your board. Once you've added the formula column, click on the cell to start entering your actual formula. For today's example, we're going to calculate the percentage of a total paid amount derived from a credit limit. To achieve this, we'll be utilizing an easy formula. The formula you need to input is concatenate total payment credit limit 100. What this formula does is divide the total payment by the credit limit and then multiply it by 100 to convert it into a percentage format. After that, don't forget to click on the Set Formula button. This step applies the formula across the column for each row on your board. Now each row in your formula column will dynamically compute and display the percentage of the total payment against the credit limit. And there you have it, you'll see your percentages right there in the cells. This step-by-step guide shows how Monday.com can be used effectively for calculations. Remember, formulas in Monday.com can be a real game changer for your data management and organization. Feel free to explore and apply other formulas for your diverse needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy computing on Monday.com.